Đorđe Jovanović, January 21, 1861. Novi Sad, March 26, 1953, Belgrade, was a Serbian sculptor and a full member of the Serbian Academy of Sciences and Arts. Jovanović was born in Novi Sad, where he spent the first 3 years of his life. Then, his family moved to Požarevac. He studied at Kragujevac, where he obtained his baccalauréat from Grands Écoles in 1882. In 1884, he obtained a state grant to pursue his postgraduate studies at the Academy of Fine Arts in Vienna, where he started studying painting and sculpture. He also studied at the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich. After completing his studies in 1887, he lived between Munich, Paris, and Belgrade. In Paris, he improved his art with Henri Chapu and Antoine Injalbert. In 1889, at the World Exhibition in Paris, he won a prize for the Gusle, and then, in 1900, at the World Exhibition in Paris, he won the first award for the Kosovo Monument. Jovanović was very prolific, and many of his works can be seen in Serbia, and in particular in Belgrade. Sculptor and cartoonist Jovan Pešić, 1866–1936, was one of his early students in Novi Sad. He exhibited his artworks as a part of Kingdom of Serbia's pavilion at International Exhibition of Arts of 1911. Jovanović married Emma Victoria Skidler on September 26, 1889. They had 2 sons, Mirko, 1892–1915, and Branko, 1895–1939. After Emma Victoria died in 1928 near Munich, Jovanović married Marguerite Robert, 1879–1965. Today his work can be found in parks, art galleries, and museums throughout Serbia. Also, Đorđe Jovanović work can be found in the collection of Milan Jovanović Stojmirović, who bequeathed a large number of sculptures, paintings, sketches, and artifacts to the art department of the museum in Smederevo.